How to swap Solana for Polygon in Phantom Wallet. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you how you could swap your Solana currency over here for some Polygon. So it's actually very simple, very straightforward. You can see here at the top you have our different options or features that we could do over here. You could see that we have the feature swap. So simply select swap over here. And you can see here we are able to swap tokens. So what we're going to do is we're simply going to select the specific cryptocurrency or currencies that we want to swap. So we said we're going to swap Solana for Polygon. So simply select Solana over here on your UPay. Of course, you should have Solana currency. As of now, I don't have anything. And over here below, you could put here Polygon. So you could simply select Polygon over here, or you could choose any of the options available over here as long as it is under Polygon. And after that, simply enter the value that you're going to pay, and then you will be able to see how much you're going to receive. If you want to do this vice versa, click on the icon over here in the middle, and you will be able to swap Polygon for Solana. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.